So, hi guys, it's me again, and I'm with my dog. I'm doing the furry friend tag, and I have the questions here. So, I'll get started. What is my pet's name? Her name is Autumn. AutumnBear. 2. She was named. We did not name her. She just, because I'll tell you the rest of the story, but once I get into the other questions. What kind of breed is her, or is she? She is an Anatolian Shepherd. How long have I had her? I've had her for 5 years now. She's such a big girl. How did I get her? I got her from a pound or rescue. How old is she? Once again, she's 5 years old. What are some quirky things about her, or about my pet? She likes to have one ear up and one ear down, and she likes to lay when she's eating her food. I mean, I don't know if that is anything different if it happens to your guys' dogs, but yeah, that's what happens to my dog. Relationship between me and my dog. She's like one of my best friends, and she's basically always there for me. And she's a good girl, and Autumn, isn't that right? You're a good girl. And sorry if I sound sick right now, because I am, and I just got a cold over this weekend. But, yeah, me and my dog, we're the best of friends. Favorite past memories, when the first time we took her out, the first time we took her outside in the snow when she was a puppy, because she adored it and she loves snow, so she's obsessed with snow. And getting her, that was one of the best memories. And number 9, nicknaming her, or the nicknames. We have AutumnBear, Berry Bear, Autumn, just Autumn, and Autumn Girl, and Bubs. That's all. And I hope that was helpful for my furry friend tag. And I'll give you a good look at her. Here's what she looks like. She's a good girl. She's so cute. So cute. Look at this little girl. Look at her. She's so cute. Autumn. You see me? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll say goodbye. Right? Say goodbye, Autumn.